Would I be able to beat my best lap time on this wicked Honda CRF250R? Hey guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today we have this wicked CRF 250 turn 270 big bore FMF twisted it their magic, and it's really nice and fast bike. I like how narrow and skinny it is. It has good suspension done by factory connection. So I want to see today if this kind of bike that is dialed in for the track can help me to be a little bit faster on the wet track I usually ride. I'm gonna jump on it, go for a couple laps and see how it goes. Today is a little bit windy. We have these Santa Ana winds here. Look at the flag over there. It's a little windy, so let's see how it goes. It's really windy.
Alright guys, I want to give you a little bit different perspective. I gave my GoPro to my friend John. He's on 2020 Husky TX300 TPI. That's the bike I had on the channel that I really liked. And that's actually not a motocross bike, but John is really good on the track. He can actually pass me anytime he wants. I just told him, hey, don't pass me, stay on my rear wheel so we can have this footage. So he's kind of keeping it down so he can stay right behind me. You know, when I ride, I kind of feel pretty good. You know, I feel like I'm riding, you know, the way I'm supposed to. But then I check footage like this and I see what I'm doing and how I look on the bike, and I can see a lot of you know, ways where I need to improve. And that's really productive, I think. If you guys can get yourself filmed like this, have somebody at your speed filming you right behind you, and then you do the best you can, and then check the footage, and you will see, you know, where you are doing kind of funny things. Like I can see some body positioning there that was a little bit off, and I can see what I can improve. So definitely a good way to improve seeing yourself, seeing the mistakes you do. But you know, at the same time, I still have a lot of fun, and I feel like I am getting faster and a little bit better. And I think I'm shaving the time of my laps little by little, so it's working out.
Alright my friends, so I spent over 1 hour riding this bike here on the track. I did maybe 4 motos, 20-25 minutes each, and it's a good bike, man. This is 2020, it's a last year model, and it's been done by Twisted and Jay Clark built it. So it's a really good running bike. It has good power. It's cylinder works, big bore 270. So it has a little more power than your stock 250. Not just a little more. It has quite a lot more power than the stock bike. And what I like about this thing is it just feels so narrow and it feels small. Like some other bikes maybe are feeling a little more like a hair bigger. And this one just fell right into my hands. And suspension is also pretty good. Factory connection dialed it, so it just did everything I threw at it. It was really good. And I don't know if I was faster than on some other bikes. I have to check the footage and compare my lap times, but it felt pretty good. Even with this hard wind, you can probably hear the wind right now. I was able to kind of be on it, and I think at least I made my best ever time, or possibly maybe 1 second better. I don't know. We'll check it on the video, and I'll put it somewhere below on the screen so you guys can know. Other than that, Hondas are kind of growing on me. Like every time I test Honda, it just feels right. Actually, like all the bikes, they feel right. Like these newer bikes, I cannot even remember the bike that I would not feel comfortable on. Like really, these new bikes, it doesn't really matter what color you ride. If you have this newer bike and you dial it in, even older bikes, you dial it in to your liking, it just feels really good. So definitely, you know, there is a good market, and you can choose from a lot of different bikes. This Honda, really good bike. I had a lot of fun, good time on it. Let me know below in the comments, guys, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.